Hello everyone. Today we are starting the question answers of your class 6 geography chapter 3, that is motion of the earth. In this chapter I am giving all the question as well as answer, so you can do them in your notebook. So first question, what is the angle of inclination of earth's axis with its orbital plan? That is, the angle of inclination of earth axis when its orbital plane is 661 upon 20. Define rotation and revolution. That has to be given. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis and revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit. What is a leap year? How can we define a leap year? So we are giving a long answer here, that earth takes 365 1 upon 4 days to revolve around the sun. It means that earth has to be take 365 days plus 1/4 days to revolve around the sun in a single year. However, for the sake of convenience, we consider a year as consisting of 365 days in a year. The 6 hours, 1/4 of 24 hours that are ignored to make one day, because this has not to be complete a one day in a 24 hours. Over a span of 4 years, this surplus day is added to the month of February. Thus every fourth year of February has 29 days, and such a year which has to be 365 days is known as leap year. Then next question is differentiate between the summer and winter solstice stated. So we have to be differentiate. First we have to be differentiate summer, then we have to be take winter. Summer, it is the position of earth when the rays of the sun falls directly on the tropic of Cancer. It means in that time the tropic of Cancer has to be got the directly sun rays. And then second, in this position of the north pole is titled towards the sun. Then third one is a large portion of the northern hemisphere gets light from the sun, hence it is summer in the northern hemisphere. During this period in the northern hemisphere, days are longer than nights. It means that nights are shorter as comparison of the days, and days are very hotful also. Then winter solstice, we have to be talking here that it is the position of earth when the rays of sun fall directly on the tropic of Capricorn. In this position, north pole is titled away from the sun, and a large proportion of the southern hemisphere gets light from the sun, hence it is winter in the northern hemisphere. During this period in the northern hemisphere, nights are longer than days. It means that days are shorter as comparison of. Then the next question is what is an equinox? Equinox क्या है? So we have to be got the answer. Equinox is the position of the earth when the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator. यानी नौतपा क्या होता है उसके बारे में ये कहा गया है. And it has to be at this position neither the poles is titled towards the sun. As a result, entire earth has equal days and equal nights. It means that in this time all the days and nights are equal. No days are longer and nights are shorter, no, like that. It means that days and nights all are equal. Then the next question is why does the southern hemisphere experience winter and summer solstices differentiate with the different time than northern hemisphere? We have to be take again it when the नॉर्थ पोल इज़ टाइटल टूवर्ड्स द सन, यानी नॉर्थ पोल जब सन की ओर झुक जाता है, द नॉर्थन हेमिस्फीयर एक्सपीरियंस समर सॉल्स्टिस. तो उस समय नॉर्थन हेमिस्फीयर जो है वहाँ पे समर होता है एट दिस टाइम, सिंस द साउथ पोल इज़ टाइटल्ड अवे फ्रॉम द सन, और इस समय पे साउथ पोल जो है वो सन से दूर होता है. द साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर एक्सपीरियंस द विंटर, और यहाँ पे विंटर होता है. व्हेन द नॉर्थ पोल इज़ टाइटल्ड अवे फ्रॉम द सन एंड द नॉर्थन हेमिस्फीयर एक्सपीरियंस विंटर सॉल्स्टिस एट दिस टाइम. Since the south pole is titled towards the sun, the southern hemisphere experience summer solstice. It means that the north pole अगर sun के side में है तो south में winter होगा, और अगर opposite है तो उस तरह से हो जाएगा. The next question is why do the poles experience about 6 months days and 6 months nights? The poles experience about 6 months days and 6 months nights because of the tilt of the earth on its axis. because अर्थ जो है वो अपने ही एक्सिस पे जब घूमती है और जो रोटेशन होता है उसकी वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस tilt each pole is tilted towards the and away from the sun about 6 months, and each When the northern pole is titled towards the sun, it experiences continuous night daylight for 6 months. It is night for the same time period. At the south pole, these conditions are reversed when the south pole is titled towards the sun. So this has to be completed. Then tick the correct options. The movement of the earth around the sun is known as, so it's known as the movement of फर्स्ट है इसमें द मूवमेंट, इसमें है द मूवमेंट ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड द सन. जब अर्थ जो है वो सन के चारों ओर मूव करती है तो इसे हम कहते हैं रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, सो सेकेंड वन इज़ द करेक्ट. डायरेक्ट रेज ऑफ द सन फॉल ऑन द इक्वेटर दैट इज़ ऑन 21 मार्च. 21 मार्च को जो है सन रेज जो है वो डायरेक्टली अर्थ के ऊपर गिरती हैं. दैन क्रिसमस इज़ सेलिब्रेट इन समर इन जापान, इंडियन, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. यानी गर्मी के मौसम में क्रिसमस जो है वो कहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, तो आंसर इज़ करेक्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया. द 3 ऑप्शन इज़ करेक्ट. दैन डी, साइकिल ऑफ सीजन्स इज कॉज ड्यू टू, साइकिल ऑफ सीजन्स कॉज ड्यू टू, यानी जो सीजन्स हमारे अर्थ के ऊपर क्रिएट होते हैं आफ्टर वी हैव टू बी गॉट 4 सीजन्स, सो इट्स इज ड्यू टू रिवोल्यूशन. इट मीन्स दैट अर्थ हैज़ टू बी रिवॉल्व ऑन इट्स ओन एक्सिस, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू बी क्रिएट अ सीजन्स, और वी कैन से दैट साइकिल ऑफ सीजन्स. Then next question is fill in the blanks that has to be here. A leap year has, एक लीप ईयर में कितना नंबर ऑफ डेज होंगे, दैट हैज़ टू 366 डेज, बिकॉज इन ईच ईयर वी हैव टू बी गुड 365 डेज. इन द लीप ईयर वी हैव टू बी गॉट 366 डेज. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द डेली मोशन ऑफ द अर्थ इज, इट द डेली मोशन ऑफ अर्थ इज दैट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशंस. दैट हैज़ टू बी द डेली मोशन ऑफ द अर्थ इज रोटेशनल. रोटेशनल उसे कहा जाएगा. द अर्थ ट्रेवल्स अराउंड द सन, दैट इज the sun, earth travels around the sun, this is called ecliptic orbit, it's moving or orbit. The next one is the sun's rays fall vertically on the tropic of orbit dash on the 1st June, that has to be tropic of Cancer. 1st June जो है 21st June जो है on tropic of Cancer, answer is. Then E1 is days are shorter during this dash season. In which season we have to be get days are shorter? In the winter season. So students, here your chapter should be completed. I hope that you all have to be understand your chapter as well as your question answers. So you have to be done these exercise in your notebook. Thank you so much for watching my video. You have to be share my video with your friends and you can subscribe it. Thank you so much.